Once upon a time, there was a king who had 4 wives. One day, he was on his deathbed and was going to die. He went to his 4th wife and asked her, "Will you accompany with me to my afterlife?" The 4th wife said, "No, I can't. I love my life very much." And that king bought her diamonds, rings, elegance, golds and jewelries and all. She said, I can't go with you." And she walked away. And secondly, he went to 3rd wife and said, "Would you accompany with me to my afterlife?" She said, "Sorry, I can't. And after you will die, I will remarry." Then he also loved his 2nd wife. The 2nd wife was every time in his needs. She was every time present. Whatever he wanted, she used to give him. But this time he asked her and she said, "I can't, but I will arrange for your journey and whatever you say." So, and a voice called, "I will live with you, and it is afterlife. Wherever you will go, I will go with you." Then the king turned around and saw that it was his 1st wife. He said, "I'm sorry. I have taken care of you very least. I can't take you." He felt very embarrassed. I should have taken more care and pay more attention to you. And the moral of the story is, we have 4 wives in our life. The 4th wife is our body. We decorate it with special clothing and with some jewelries, diamonds, rings and all. But at the end, it can't follow us till the afterlife. The 3rd represents our position. We spend time and make it gathering in our life. But till the end, it can't follow us to the afterlife. And again, it will be divided into people. Just like the 3rd wife said that I am going to remarry. And the 2nd represents our family and friends. They will be in the time of our need. They will fill up our wish in this world. But at the end, they can't go with in our afterlife. They will reach you till your grave and send you alone. And the 1st wife represents our soul. We usually neglect our soul, but at the end, it will follow us to the afterlife. Care of your body, keep it healthy, and enjoy your position and the comfort they provide. Cherish your friends and family and the love they provide. And don't forget to take care of your soul. Nourish your soul. Take time to be alone. Take time to pray. Be in meditation, because it is the source of all of your life and your most faithful friend. I hope the story can help you and help your friend that you love the most